Hi everybody, in this video we will try to learn how can we make a test if our electromagnetic relays are working or not without using high voltages. So we just need a multimeter and that's it. So let's say you have a relay board like that. This is IOTMUG I2C 16 channel electromagnetic relay board for Arduino and Raspberry Pi, and let's say that you need to make sure these electromagnetic relays are going to be functional with your high voltages. As you see, you can see the light, but how am I going to make sure it is going to work, function with the AC voltages? Okay, as you know, AC voltages, I mean relays, are behaving a kind of switch. With the electromagnetic, it is going to behave like that, right? And as you know, one side of the relays are on when the action happens, and the other side is off. Okay, so what we are going to do, you are going to just put your multimeter into the resistor part, resistor sign. Then you are going to put your sound option by function button, and this is the way you can test your also cables, right? So what I'm going to do, so let's say it is going to come here, right? Okay, now there is sound. Okay, there is no sound. When the relays comes here, it is going to make sound. See, this side is opposite. When the relays come, it is not going to make sound. So this is the way you can test without using high voltages. So let's make one more time. It is making sound. No sound. This way, at this side, no sound. Sound. Okay. Thank you so much.